Welcome back. Today we're going to go down to another test and tune. We're bringing our Duster. We put the 3.23's in it in place of the 2.94's. We're hoping that just bumps us into the 12.9's. We're hoping. Probably won't. We'll start from the back for those that are just joining. The Duster weighs about 3,400 pounds at the start line with me in it, maybe a smidge more. I'm giving myself a lot of credit. The rear end is a 323 open, which means it's not a posi or sure grip. The transmission is a stock 904 with a stock factory stock torque converter that it came with behind a 318. So nothing's been done there. And then we'll come up here to the front. The 318 has been replaced by a replacement 360. It virtually is a stock replacement that you would get like over the counter at a parts store. It's still got the recessed dish pistons in it and everything like that. The cam is about like a stock 360 4-barrel cam. And then the only real upgrade I did to it was I bolted on a set of Speedmaster heads out of the box. So we'll see what we get. We're back home. Had a fun day. Do you guys remember my two videos I did fairly recently on initial timing and total timing? I'm glad you remembered because I didn't. I went down there and made a pass and was trying to make sense of it. I couldn't make sense of it. And then I had a friend come up and say, why don't you add some timing? And I said, well, generally you don't add timing if you do a slight gear bump. But we pulled some timing into it, and then it dawned on me, I never reset my timing after I did the demonstration. So the first pass, was that. I didn't get very many passes in. We went down there shooting for 1290 something. This is what we got.
Closer.
So we ran a 1296. So we were right on target. 60-foot drop from a 186 to a 184. We added a couple mile an hour and dropped from a 1313 to a 1296. Just what we hoped it would do. inch by inch. So it's in the high 12s now. Just under 104 mile an hour, 103.87. So overall, we had a fun day, a good day. And certainly glad that you joined us again. Till next time.